Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Gaggia Brera with us in the shop, and it came in for a few issues, mainly that the water wasn't actually getting to the spouts at all, and there was a lot of clogging in the brew unit and stuff like that that was preventing the flow of water to get into brew shop. Pretty much all this machine really needed was a tune-up. Also, we're having issues with the grinder, so we replaced the grinder entirely. This is what your old grinder looks like. It's situated kind of like this in the machine. Yeah, like that. And so we replaced it with a totally brand new one, and made sure it was all wired correctly. And then we did a cleaning, descaling, a few cleaning cycles on the machine. And now we're going to brew a quick shot. We're going to do it on the coarsest setting, but you can go finer. Usually recommend, if you are going to go finer to make some sort of espresso shot, I would go to the second to last one, because the last one's kind of tricky. But let's just do one small coffee here. So you can hear the grinder going off. If I open this, it's way louder. As you can see, grinding well. I'm going to close this just so it finishes grinding. Now it's going to go into the brew stage. It's going to move that brew unit over into where it can actually start brewing. And it's going to let it go. And we're using our old test coffee, so if there's not a lot of crema or anything like that, don't worry about that. Usually just fresher coffee would solve the issue. But this is looking like a good shot of coffee. Or a good cup of coffee, I should say. As you can see. This is again on the coarsest setting, so really good. Now we're going to quickly just test the hot water function, which runs hot water out of your steam wand. We did also clean your steam wand and cleaned out the actual sheath that's on your steam wand, but now we're going to go into the steam function. It's going to speed out a little bit of water as it warms up, but after a while we'll start shooting out steam after the pump kicks on. There you go. Now the pump's kicking on, pumping water into the steam nozzle. And we did descale this machine, both sides, or both heating engines, and so it should be nicely cleared up now. Yeah. Now it's really ramping up. Alrighty. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.